Got it here, another instant couch, or this time it's like a sofa or armchair. So there's an air reach, the brand looks like they give you a spike so it does not fly away. Good idea, especially at the beach. So how do we take this out? Okay, very nice. Click over here and let's go blow it up. It's one of those simple ones. And it's gonna look very different to what I showed you before. Okay, let's start this. We're gonna unpackage all of it and instantly blow it up. There is no wind right now, so it will be kind of hard, but hopefully it will work. Look how much space, extra space there is. I think we need to do a little bit more than that. Let's see. With the wind it's a lot easier, so almost, but I feel like it's not good enough, but it's pretty easy to fill it up. I feel like if we give it a little bit of a better swing, or if it was a little bit more breeze, it would have been, it will be a lot better to sit on whenever it's filled up all the way. Okay, that might be good. So really easy to fold it. This is nice, I'd say. This will do. We just fold it up more over here. This is so nice. Okay, as you can see, it's a little couch now. Okay, definitely very different to what they have done before. Wow, this is cool. Definitely cannot sit on the edge, but this is comfortable. I'm really big. Probably for shorter people would be a little bit more comfortable. But yeah, very unique. I like it. Let's start to sit like that. Yeah, it's kind of rolls into me so well. It is pretty flat here, so once you sit, it's kind of like a little bit. Let's see if I can sit on the edge. Yeah, the other one is way more comfortable. This is more like hanging out maybe by the bonfire, but still very comfortable and nice. Blow up chair over here. Different design. Maybe actually filling up less is more comfortable. I don't know. Just try it out. See what you think about it. And let's see how easy it is to take it apart and release all the air. So as you can see, instantly just fold it up and it's gonna be good. Pretty awesome. I like it.